Alright, so here's the deal. Me and Tut are at his house, and it's one of those absolutely insane nights with the. You'll see here. I'm actually showing this snow right now off his back door. It's like probably like 4 foot of snow. But let's go out there and show you what the fuck's going on. Hold on. Gotta open up the fucking door. Holy crap. That's a fucking cool video, dude. Yeah, so that's the back of Tut's door. So we're hanging out here. It's about midnight. December 27th now. See that? That's like a fucking igloo. This is off the back of his freaking deck. Holy crap. That's freaking awesome, man. You see that, man? That was awesome, man. So yeah, it's just me and Tut. Look at that. Holy crap.